Good afternoon, ladies. What brings you into our police station on this super cold, blustery, blizzard-filled day?
Well, we were wondering what the road conditions will be like.
Yeah, because I have to get my nails done. If they don't get done, I will have a stroke and die. I mean, look at how ratchet these are.
Ratchet. And I need to get my hair done because it's looking a little dull.
Honestly, ladies, I would not recommend travel. There are literally 25 cars in the ditch between here and the city. Yes, ma'am, I do remember you and your friend. However, you being stuck in a ditch and unable to get to your nail and hair appointments on time does not constitute an emergency.
Of